radio. We're going to call into a show over on... No, we're not, because we are out of service. Look at that. The wind has definitely now blown out power and service. We wanted to call into a show over on W4WN radio. It's called Click Tarot. You can catch it at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Wanted to call her and find out what the cards said was going to happen here. Would have loved to get that reading. Anytime you want a reading, make sure you go to W4WN.com. That's Women for Women Radio. On Wednesdays at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, join Click Tarot. Woo! Getting blown by the storm here, and get your reading. Alrighty. Hopefully you won't be getting a reading on what's going to be the outcome of a hurricane. Get your view right here.